Hello everyone, let's look at Flipgrid, and we're going to look at the part of Flipgrid called Immersive Reader. If you like to play with technology, maybe you already discovered that you can find the transcript which the automatic AI of Flipgrid makes for every recording. Let's go down and look at my recording. So we're on Flipgrid, we're going down to my recording. And if you click here, it depends on your device, I think, and on when you made the recording. So I've got captions on it. It's something to do with the setting I had on the computer when I made the recording. But if you can't get captions from here, you can still get them from Immersive Reader. This is so cool. It gives you a white screen with the words that you said. So it's a great way to see whether the computer's mic can understand and the computer's AI can work out the words which you are saying. It's a kind of check on pronunciation. And it has some different options. You can have it as a page. You can also have it as highlighting all the nouns. You can have all the nouns in purple, all the verbs in red. We could even have labels for whether it's nouns or verbs. And you could have adverbs in yellow and adjectives in green. How cool is that? Today is July, so today, that's yellow because it's an adverb. Is red because it's a verb. I think that's so cool. And what else can we do? We can have it as a line instead of as a paragraph. I think paragraph is good. I'll go off the line if I can. And you could have a dictionary. Oh, it's got a dictionary, so if you click on the word, it'll tell you what partner is. You could change the text size and font. So I think it would be really fun if you can have a look at the transcript next time. If you want to, you can also copy it. I don't think you can export it, but you can copy a section of it. You can't copy the whole thing, but if you Control-C, and if you prepared a Word document in Microsoft Word, then you can get most of it into Microsoft Word from Flipgrid. The only thing you can't do is get everything at once. That's why when I did it, it took me ages. And also, I couldn't get perfect transcripts. Control-C. But I think I'd like you to try that if you have a setup at home where you can. Then I thoroughly recommend it. Let's call it Transcript Ellen, July, whichever day it was I did it, about July 7th. And so we've got my recording there, and then I can look at it and see how my grammar was. This is bull. Well, very interesting. Okay, I hope that was useful.